Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to enable Facebook Marketplace profile. Open your Facebook account. There, click on the profile icon and select Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. In the side panel, go to the section Notifications. You will search and click on Marketplace. Here it will be possible to enable all notifications by activating the switch, Allow notifications on Facebook. Additionally, you can define through which means to receive these notifications using its switch. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.